In this video today, we'll be working on the installation of Data Loader, and the other thing that we'll try to do is we'll try to upload leads object onto Salesforce and see those records. So for Data Loader to work, you need a minimum of JDK 17 and you need the installer for Data Loader. So the first thing that we'll do over here is we'll try to install the JDK 17. We need to click on this link, and over here you need to select whatever option we want to go for, and I'll go for Java 21. In my case, I'll download the DMG file. So I already downloaded the DMG file over here. I'll try to install that. So I double click on this, double click on the link to install it. Over here I'll click on continue install. Over here I need to enter the password. So what it will do over here is it will install the JDK 21 on machine, which is a prerequisite for the data loader. Since you have got this message, so the JDK 21 is already installed. The next thing that we need to do is we need to install Data Loader. And in order to install the Data Loader, you go to this your sales page, home page. Over here you click on search for Data Loader, click on this link and you click on download. It will redirect you to the download link from where you can download the Data Loader. So this is the link. I'll paste link to in the video description. I click on download. So once your download is complete, you will go over here, you can open that direct, and I'll unzip that file. After unzipping that file, you will see these files present. Now install the bat for Windows. Since I'm using macOS, so I'll be using install.cm command file. I'll click on this and I'll click on done over here. With the latest macOS, it is not allowing me to run that specific file. So in order to bypass, I go to privacy and security, and I'll see over here the install.cm command was blocked to protect your PC. So I'll click on open anyways. I'll click open anyways here. I'll enter the password, and what it will do is at the backend it will try to install the Data Loader. So I click yes over here. It will ask me a couple of more prompts. So the first thing that it will ask is, do you want to create shortcut? I'll say yes. It will ask me, do you want to create shortcut in applications folder? I say yes. This is the window which opens when you have installed Data Loader on your machine. A couple of things to remember over here is, if I click on settings, whenever for the first time the Data Loader tries to connect to Salesforce, it will have a redirect URL. So this is the redirect URL that you'll see for your production org and for the sandbox org. So since I'm using a dev org, what I need to do is I'll need to update this method, and we need to ensure that we are not using the lightningforce.com. We'll have to go to the class link and upload that. So I click on switch to class. I'll copy this link. So after copying this link, I'll need to update that link over here. So for the sake of this video, I'll update both sandbox and the production URL over here, and if you scroll to the bottom, you will see you will have an option of changing the logging level to. So there are other side. I'll click OK. Over here, after that I'll click on insert. I'll select the sandbox org login. So if you see, it has redirected me to this link. Otherwise, if I don't update that URL, it will redirect me either to login.salesforce.com or test.salesforce.com based on the org that I'm selecting. So I'll click connect here. I'll click allow and continue. So if you see over here, it has now moved to the next page. Over here, I'll try to select the lead object, and next is I'll try to select the file. So I click on download. So this is the file that I have. I'll select that, on open, do a next. If you see, the installation is succeed. The CSV has 5 records. So after that, I'll move do next over here. So this is the place where you can link column headers that you have in your CS file with the Salesforce fields for the lead. So I'll leave it the way it is as of now. I'll do a next. Over here, I need to select the results folder where I want the results to be stored. I'll create a new folder called lead results, create, and I select that folder. I click open and I do yes. So this is the window that opens, which will either show whether the records are fully up. So it is showing me that there are 5 full in records. Click OK over here. So next what we will do is we'll go to the lightning experience again. Over here, I'll try to search for, now since it has shown me that all the records fully inserted, I'll go over here, search for leads, and then I'll go to the my leads object. Now since we have seen that all the records are uploaded successfully, I will go over here. I'll open the leads, and if you'll see, this was how my CSV file was looking like, and if you'll see, these are the 5 records that have been updated recently. So you will see the Liam Turner, then you will see Ava Murphy. So all these records fully uploaded in Salesforce. So this is how you need to use Data Loader to upload the objects in Salesforce. Thank you very much. That's it for the video.